We don't want a speaker who just wants to make money. We want a speaker who wants to make a difference. I've seen some people going around saying Mao joined the cabinet in order to improve his financial situation, that he was about to die of poverty. I grew up in poverty, it didn't kill me. If poverty did not kill me when I was in the village, will it kill me when now I have Bachelor of Laws, Master of Arts, and Master of Dispute Resolution, Diploma, Postgraduate in Legal Practice, Advocate for over 30 years? Will poverty kill me with all those qualifications? Yes, even that one. So, I think we should not reduce the debate about important questions to simple things. I was offered the job of minister in June 2021. Can a hungry person wait for 1 year to be paid his first salary as a minister? And you know, it is not a small salary. So I want to warn those who are talking like that. I'm going to hang their record on MTN masks for the whole country to see. Because it seems anybody who is attacking me stupidly, I'm going to get their full record and hang it on Colonel Hill. I will hang their record on Summit View indeed, so that everybody can know who they really are. I have my record. Starting from being a head prefect. In fact, starting from being